Top ways to make money online and offline fastly and easily. Number 1. No risk matched betting. Hands down the quickest way to make a lot of money, well, without breaking the law. Lots of people have genuinely made lots of money from this technique. It's completely legal, risk-free, tax-free, and anyone can do it. Number 2. Online surveys. An increasingly popular way to make money is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can bag up to $5 for some surveys. Number 3. Paid for searching the web. Interested in earning cash for doing what you already do online? This has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online without really any effort or change in your behavior. This innovative idea by Kme.com rewards you for searching in Google, Bing or Yahoo. You just install a simple ad onto your browser, and when you conduct a search there may be a few sponsored results alongside your normal search. Number 4. Review websites and apps for cash. Well, it seems like you're pretty nifty with a web browser, so perhaps it's time to turn pro and browse websites as a paid and fun job. A new platform that pays everyday people to review all kinds of websites. Each review takes around 20 minutes and bags you $10 via PayPal. Number 5. Start your own website. Interested in generating passive income? You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep. Starting a website takes less than 20 minutes, costs hardly anything, and can be done by an 82-year-old. It only takes a bit of plugging on social media to get your first visitors, and there are plenty of ways to monetize your site. That's all for now. Subscribe our channel for more videos every day.